Sarvaloke Maheswara. Lord Krishna himself says that I am the proprietor of this planet, this universe. Despite people are fighting, this doggish-like mentality people are fighting. This is my country, this is Pakistan, this is India, this is Russia, this is America. This doggish-like mentality people are fighting with each other. We simply says that we must follow Krishna conscious philosophy. We have to just follow Krishna philosophy, not our own philosophy. Krishna conscious ISKCON means following the Krishna's philosophy. Our only humble request to everyone and every human being is to follow Krishna consciousness. If you want to become happy or peaceful in the whole world, to all humankind, if you want to become peaceful and happy, then we have to follow the Krishna conscious philosophy, Krishna's philosophy. Fighting is going on everywhere. People fighting with other people, nation is fighting with other nation, community is fighting with other community. So fighting is going on. This doggish-like mentality people creating United Nation. Do you think that this doggish mentality people can bring peace to this world? Do you think this United Nation, a doggish-like mentality people who is creating United Nation and can bring peace and happiness to the whole world? No, this is not possible. Because if you bring a dozens of best dog and if you say them, you remain silent, peaceful, I will give you everything, a good food to you. Is it possible that they will live peacefully? No, it is not in their capacity. So today's modern people are like doggish mentality. They cannot live peacefully and happily because that is not their capacity. Our only request is to follow the Krishna conscious movement, follow Krishna's philosophy.